Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you the first setup of the console. In the beginning, make sure that your console is connected to the TV or any other monitor, and also you've got prepared your controller and USB-C to USB-C cable. Now turn on the console by pressing this button. Firstly, connect your controller with the console via USB-C cable. Now, turn on the controller. Select language, Wi-Fi. Now, adjust display area. You can do it by pressing bottom and top arrows. Select your time. And now select power options for rest mode. You can select between low power use, optimize experience, and custom. Confirm to software license agreement. Select your username. Confirm. Again, confirm and continue. And it's done. The first setup has been completed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.